Chapter 9, Race and Ethnicity. With more than 6 billion people on the planet, the world offers a fascinating array of human characteristics. Race refers to the inherited physical characteristics that distinguish one group from another. These characteristics include a variety of colors, complexions, and shapes. Although there have been significant strides in the understanding of race and racial equality, two myths of race are still common. Race and ethnicity are often confused due to the cultural differences people see in the way they define race. The terms ethnicity and ethnic refer to cultural characteristics that distinguish a people. Minority groups are people singled out for unequal treatment and who regard themselves as objects of collective discrimination. Some people feel an intense sense of ethnic identity while others feel very little. Prejudice and discrimination exist in societies throughout the world. Discrimination is unfair treatment directed towards someone. When based on race, it is known as racism. It can also be based on many features such as weight, age, sex, sexual preferences, disability, religion, or politics. Prejudice is prejudging of some sort, usually in a negative way. Sociologists found that some people learn prejudice after association with certain groups. Racism was not the cause for joining a racist group, but the result of their membership in that group. People can learn to be prejudiced against their own groups by internalizing the norms of the dominant group. Genocide is the actual or attempted systematic alienation of a race or ethnic group that is labeled as less than fully human. The Holocaust and the U.S. government's treatment of Native Americans are examples. Assimilation is the process by which a minority is absorbed into the mainstream. Racial and ethnic terms that are used in the United States are controversial. The terms Latino and Hispanic do not refer to a race, but to different ethnic groups. Latinos may be black, white, or Native Americans. African Americans face a legacy of racism. Asian Americans have faced long discrimination in the United States. Due to the influence of old movie westerns, many Americans tend to hold stereotypes of Native Americans as uncivilized savages, and as a single group of people subdivided into separate bands. In order for the United States to become a multicultural society, people must respect differences and be willing to work together without any one group dominating others, and racial categories need to be seen as a relevant system of categorization.